A Sean Stam, the Zambia represent for Jamaica verse game. You don't know him give the baddest reaction. You know disclaimer. He don't know what that. About to miss a cap a lot. You don't know what that.
Yo. What is up, guys? Guys, give me another reaction. Today, guys, we are in Chronicle. Yes, Malie Tricks. So the name of the song changed from was it Alice been Malie Tricks? Or was it never changed? But I'm telling you something, dog. I don't want the man them rush the bumbo cloth war. Not a number one. Chronicle, Malie Dan, under the door rush the war. We know say on two lyricists, we know say on bad, especially Chronicle, when it come on to lyrics. But you know if you rush it, bro. Me I beg on don't rush the fucking war, bro. You see me? I'm here for it. So let's just make the war play out. And the fans them, don't call the war already and say yo this and that and that. Make the two artists them go at it, bro. Only just listen and shut the fuck up somehow on the dog. Cause in the comment section I chat shit already. Please don't do that. Me I beg on please don't do that. Alright. Let me just clear up something first. In a Malie Dan song, when him said trashy, can me just wake up? I said Jashi, but it wasn't Jashi, it was Bashi was talking about. So I'm just clear that up. Alright? Bashi. Big up yourself, Bashi. But yo, blood clot you know. Wait. Thumbnail, make you look back. Wait. So we see fly. So we see dog lie down right here, so with bullet hole in her face and beer sitting blood a run down, yeah, half lock. Flyer come through mouth and beer sitting, so he must. Alright, Shabdan Records, big up yourself, Shabdan. I can jump in and I see what I go. Let's go!
Smarty head split on the lane, Malie member. You couldn't have six by your name. I to beg it out, running you each on the train. Me couldn't say me rich with Smarty chain.
Whoa, member say you couldn't have six by your name in the Malie. Malie, member say, wait, the blood cloud. Wait, man, hey, what me I do? Wait. Malie, member say you couldn't have six by your name, you know. Member say Atto. Member say Atto beg it out in a youth. How will blood clot you do? Eh? Member say Atto beg it out in a bumbo. How you do youth? Wait, man. Blood clot. Put on back me thing. Hey. Listen to me. That one I go pause a lot. Me I pause this a lot. Remember say I couldn't have six by your name, first of all.
To beg it out, running you each on the train. Me couldn't say me rich with somebody chain.
Me couldn't say me rich with somebody chain. Me couldn't advance somebody. Me couldn't advance somebody chain and say my one and say me rich. It's like me driving my friend's car, thinking that is my car. No, I'm not for your car. Pussy, bring it back. Crash your rim and see.
Empty a clip in a bait when the pussy them a watch make she piss in him face.
Empty a clip in a bait in a fool in a clown. Empty a clip in a when the pussy they a watch.
Empty a clip in a bait when the pussy them a watch make she piss in him face.
When the pussy in a watch make she piss in him face. So that one there is a double meaning. I must say yo the pussy them a watch. And the pussy where you in my watch make you piss in her face. You get it?
Empty a clip in her bait when the pussy them a watch make she piss in her face. Everybody know who switching her place and no Q-tip that are the chip in her ears.
Everybody know who switching her place. Everybody know who I switcher. Everybody who from you know who I switcher. Me no know? I don't know. I'm just saying. From you know who are the switcher in the blood clot place. Yeah, and I mean that brother rank somebody.
Everybody know who switching her place and no Q-tip that are the chip in her ears.
I know this in her ears. And the blood clot in her ears.
Everybody know who switching her place and no Q-tip that are the chip in her ears. Wrap it up in my coffin and lift up for Malie.
Wrap it up in Matic, coffin and lift up for Malie. Yo, we are going to pause this a lot. Because we don't want to get copyright strike on this a blood clot. Me need the video them for green.
Do veneers with the more thing just like a bucket of shit.
Bumbo clot. The man say you ganga do veneers. You gone all the way at Turkey ganga art. That man, DR. You got a DR gonna do VRs. gonna do veneers. Pussy, you know you're thinking mouth. Why you have to do that? Why you have to do that?
Wrap it up in my coffin and lift up for Malie. Go do veneers with the more thing just like a bucket of shit. Yeah man, we run the parish, 30 gun with up on it.
Yeah man, how we run the parish, brother? How we run the parish? Even your parish, how we run it? 30 gun with dopey on it.
Me and Squash and Daddy one when you come in at this party.
Man say, yo, me and Squash and Daddy one. And when you come in at this, Remember say, automatic beg for you. Make you come in at this in a youth. Remember say, yo, youth, I want you.
When we run the parish, 30 gun with dopey on it. And me and Squash and Daddy one when you come in at this party, boy. You to go back to your running habit before.
Man say, batty boy. Better you go back to your running habit. Wasn't Malie an athlete at school? Wasn't he an athlete at school? I think he was, right? I think there was something where he said that he was an athlete at school, no?
Me say automatic come pick up your body. Me go right at them plane, see them swallow spit. No man can wipe.
Yeah, the spit swallow. Wait. The man said, remember say, yeah, say you see me. Yes. I'm gonna lift blicky. Which part I see you? I see you up on the plane. I see you up on the same flight. When me go right to your plane seat, yes, what I spit so go. I say, because you know, say, fuck you go and all up in the sky, pussy. Remember, say, with dark, no sun up here.
Your body, me go right at them plane, see them swallow spit. No man can wipe off my face. Be a rifle rise from your violate.
Man say, no man can wipe off my face. When I thought this was, Malie was performing on the same, I think it was Sans. Was it Sans? Malie or something. Malie was performing, and when I give Malie one towel, and Malie never take the towel because I perform, and you wipe off Malie face. So I said, no man can wipe off my face, move your pussy.
No man can wipe off my face. Be a rifle rise from your violate. 90s one done, watch your mind game.
90s, one done. Watch your mind game. Rev him attack. Rev. 90s, one done. Watch your mind games.
Begin.
Because remember, in a Malie song, him say, he will make Rev show him out. Yeah.
Farmer want try brave. Little Kim must see a nice too easy.
The man say, yo, you're big in farmer, brother. Stop try brave. You're big bumbo clot in farmer. Don't try brave.
Big in farmer want try brave. Little Kim must see a nice too easy. Fish at you go and listen yam sky and suck front at you. Nobody.
You're too easy for shots, so go and go listen to Nyam Sky. And suck put. Wait, did he say that?
Must see a nice
Did he say that?
easy fish at you go and listen yam sky and suck front at you.
Dan Sky attack, yeah, Dan Sky. Go and listen to Dan Sky. You're too easy for shot. Go and listen to Dan Sky and Nyam front at you. The two of them. Go and listen to the two of them, because them in your corner over there, so like bumbuckler referee. Go and listen to them.
Nobody now win, lucky this and never lotto. Holy flames, cause you don't take your gas up.
Holy flames, because you don't take your gas up. Nobody now win. That pussy, you think it's a lotto? I know lotto this. Nobody now go win this pussy. So take your flame, you know. See flame, yeah? Because you don't take your gas up. You get it? Gas, flame, get it? All right, let's go.
Little boy, low killer think when we are repeat team, you did still I imagine. Yeah, we burn up on nobody from no burn on no bridge.
When we are repeat team, when we are do road, when we are do badness, you're still a blood clot teen. You're still a teen, my J. So don't try running for the badness, bro. You will get yourself binds.
Come in a foreign.
When we are repeat team, you did still I imagine. Yeah, we burn up on nobody from no burn on no bridge. Make a juvie bossy made, fi me gonna no fi kid.
From on the burn on the bridge, bro, we burn up on nobody, bro. From on the burn on the bridge over here, so we burn up on nobody, bro. And that's the G there.
Me know where all our no blood clot live. If you no shut up a club, you know who die in a fridge. Me see.
Woo! Me know which part all our no blood clot live. Me know which part all our no live. Florida, anywhere further no there. Me know which part no live. Because me talk them there on the bumbuckler ground too. So guess what? You see, if you did shut up the club and make a bumbuckler bullet even graze me pussy, me put the whole on up on fridge. Yeah, man, Florida ice on the depot.
The man a look hype off where them never see. A crew full of dead friends and see a trouble them agi.
The man say a crew full of dead friends. You don't see much trouble. You don't see a pay trouble them agi. And enough man out there 6 dead still. Sorry.
Bad guy. Empty shell you fi switch pan a man when the name of yourself. One.
Empty shallow. If you switch pan a man when the name of yourself.
And live it. Empty shell you fi switch pan a man when the name of yourself. One live it day till me. Before me everybody have it dead man.
One law till me before me everybody have it dead. Hold on man. Me no want the man them rush the war, dog. Me no want to rush it, dog.
We a push bench from a cabby, you a take no bad no in a you just have it in a breath. When you
Brother, no bad in your dog. No badness in your dog. You just have it in a breath. I just your breath bad. You're not bad pussy. I just your mouth and your mind bad. You're not bad. You're not bad.
bench from a cabby, you a take no bad no in a you just have it in a breath. When your friend hand broke, that could have been neck. So
When your friend hand broke, that could have been neck. Like me say no, the warrior I gotta get personal enough cause the man them know things about each other now. Who for Andy broke? Who for Andy broke? Somebody tell me in the comment section. Who for Andy broke?
what get boxed down and puff chest. Then your friend hand broke, that could have been neck. So what get boxed down and puff chest.
I will get boxed down and I will get boxed down and puff chest. Who? Who will take boxed down and puff chest?
Tell me now, we know Greenwich from Portmore. We know Houston, Texas. We know Rosedale, Bronx, by your friend Black.
When I tell you everywhere which part you locate in the Malie dan. Man say you know everywhere now, bro. You know all of the places. See him just name them out there.
Low net shot. No man can wipe off my face. Rifle gun talk from your violate. 90s one done watch your mind game. Begin farmer one try brave.
And say you're big in farmer. Yeah, try brave, bro. Stop take gassing over this, bro. It not gonna benefit you.
Little Kim must see a nice. Too easy for shot to go and listen yam sky and suck front tattoo. Nobody now.
Alright, so because Malie this Bashi and call him Trashy, Chronicle this back Dan Sky and Atoba.
Win lucky this I never lotto. Remember a picture you take when we spot you.
Remember see a picture you take when we spot you. This Malie didn't really take a picture when this spot Chronicle have it, Joe.
Malie a little boy that God kill me out. Well, nothing from murder, yeah, make God send me out. You don't know.
Malie dan, you a little boy and God kill me youth. And nothing for murder and God send me youth. Yo, Labas, never underestimate your opponent. Do not underestimate Malie dan. Labas, take the fucking war serious. That's number one. Take the war serious. Number second, do not rush the fucking war, dog. I don't want to rush the war, bro. Make the war play out, bro. Make the war play out. Make the fans them have time. Make we as... I'm not a vlogger, I'm a reactioner. Make me as a reactioner have time to go live and talk about the Bumbuckler first round and make the people them say what them think. Don't rush the war, my G. No, please don't rush the war. I beg you no. That's all I tell you now. Anyway, what do you think about that one? Like me say, I don't want to start putting it over on my second reaction channel, you know. So the link I go down in the description. Wanna please go because me know enough. If me start drop them video up on the second channel, you know, do all I wanna go over there, go subscribe, you know, and go view it over there, you know. But me don't want to do that. I want to keep it on the main channel. So me I beg you know. A link I go down in the description. Me I beg you know, please go over there, go subscribe to it, please. Yeah? Don't force me to do that, please. Alright? Let me know what you guys think, and I'll catch you guys in the next one though. Alright? Phone I ring, I forgot. Peace.
It's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf with the baddest. And it's a rap connect.